Welcome to our game controls tutorial. For laptop users, you can use the keyboard arrows or W, A, S, D, for movement. You can press the spacebar to jump. You can also press the shift with a movement arrow to sprint. This helps covering longer distances and overcome boundaries. Using the mouse, you can click close to the avatar's feet to change direction. Click a location spot further away to make the avatar move there. On touchscreen devices, tap close to the avatar's feet to change direction. Tap a location spot further away to make the avatar move there. The game also has other controls like look left, right, up, down, action keys, and more. But for now, the basic controls are more than enough to get you started. To enhance your browsing experience, our 3D platform has a teleport system. Teleportug helps you traveling from one location to another location in the scene in a glance, no matter how big the scene is. This saves you the time and effort to walking distances to explore different zones in a big scene. Teleport spots are easy to create by the scene admin in the backend. We'll get to that in another video. You can also teleport between different scenes, just like navigating pages on a website. You can even create a teleporting menu in a scene that acts just like a website menu. Possibilities are endless.